Hello to everybody. As usual, this is Jadotek. I would like to thank for those who have subscribed and asking for those who are not yet to subscribe now, because the information are still coming and the new are more and more. So I think all of you have seen the announcement about the WhatsApp announcement from WhatsApp, which says that there is some Android versions which are going to stop due to the system of your phone, which are going to stop using WhatsApp forever. So now we are going to see how you can update your phone so as to make it in the best phones which are going to use WhatsApp in these days. In this 2021 we are going to start. So now let's see. First of all, you have to go on your setting of your phone, and please make sure that your phone is the version of your phone is above 4.0.3 version. So how to check the version of your phone? First of all, you go on the system, click on the system of your phone. You will scroll. There is about phone. After going out about phone, there is down. There is version. The version Android, is Android version 9. So here you continue, you check. Now we are going to see how to update the system. This is done online. It is online updating. You go on your setting, then there is what you call system. You go to system. After going to system, you can see different things. Go on the system update. You will find system update. Then find system update. There is local upgrade. This is required to be downloaded before and installed on your SD card. There is nothing. Then go online upgrade. Click there, online upgrade. Then check for the update. So because my phone is up to date now, here they will ask you to update your phone. You will click on update. The update will be downloaded automatically, and it will be easier to be installed. So guys, thank you. I can say thank you for watching this video, and keep enjoying the WhatsApp app. Thank you for watching.